Can y'all hear me? What's going on, wild man? Hello, Dennis. Fawn. Cannibalistic Missile. Issue a Child. Virginia Harley. Oh, welcome. Let's check out some earthquakes that have been lied about. Okay. We're going to center them in Maple Creek because that's where they are. Maple Creek, Hagman Lake. Alright. We have 48 earthquakes today. 40031 UTC, 0.4 at 5 kilometers. At 40158 UTC at 2.0 at 6.0 kilometers. 0.3 at 418.48 at 7.4 kilometers, 603.25 a 1.3 at 9.9 kilometers deep, 607.38 a 0.8 at 7 kilometers, at 740.59 we got a 1.3 at 5.8 kilometers, that's shallow. At 859.21 UTC we got a 0.7, 8.7. 911.20 UTC, we got a 0.6 at 5.5. 914.49, we got a 0.9 at 5.4. 941.54 UTC, a 1.5 at 8.2 kilometers. 952.21 UTC, a 0.7 at 5 kilometers. 1016.01 UTC, a 0.2 at 5 kilometers. 1020.39 UTC, a 0.7 at 4.3 kilometers. 1034.15, we got a 1.7 at 5.5. At 1116.19 UTC, a 1.5 at 5.4. 1230 UTC, a 0.9 at 6.5. 1224.45 UTC, a 1.1 at 5.5. 1234.35 UTC, a 0.7 at 5.2. 1246.42 UTC at 2.3 at 6.2 kilometers. 1251.38 UTC at 0.8 at 8.6 kilometers. 1255.02 UTC a 1.0 at 4.3 kilometers. 1302.13 UTC 0.6 at 5.3. 1303.31 UTC at 2.2 at 5.4. 1404.44 UTC a 0.5 at 5.2. 1415.25 UTC a 0.8 at 3.4. 1426.31 UTC a 0.6 at 5.0. 1424.42.44 UTC a 0.4 at 4.6. 1557.18 UTC a 0.5 at 4.8. 1601.16 UTC at 1.6 at 5.4. 1615.15 UTC 1.0 at 5.1 kilometers. 1617.57 UTC at 2.0 at 5.2. 1625.34 UTC at 1.5 at 5.1. 1643.18 UTC at 0.5 at 5.5. 1709.14 UTC at 0.7 at 2.3 kilometers. 1716.09 UTC at 1.5 at 3.3 kilometers. 1800.01 UTC 0.6 at 4.3. 1805.08 UTC at 0.6 at 5.5. 1823.38 UTC at 0.3 at 4.1. 1834.07 UTC at 0.6 at 3.4. 1838.12 UTC at 0.4 at 4.3. 1843.26 UTC a 1.8 at 4.9 kilometers. 1851.31 UTC a 1.7 at 5.0 kilometers. 1923.58 UTC a 1.4 at 5.8. 1923.58 UTC once again a 1.4 at 4.7 kilometers. 0.9 at 1934.23 UTC at 3.9 kilometers. 1943.59 UTC a 1.0 at 5.6, and at 20:05:19 UTC a 1.8 magnitude, and at 6 and at 20:10:02 there was a 0.8 at 5.4. Hold on one second, let me see if I got that one. I hate it when they don't update their site. So how's everybody doing tonight? Yes, the heliplots. This is my favorite part of the day. Oh, I love it. Okay. Here we go. Okay. Here is the truth. Right here. This nestling up in a little quake right here. See these? Okay. These are the ones I plotted, but they didn't put. 00723 UTC, a 4.2 magnitude. 0014 54 UTC, a 3.5. 002124, a 3.4 magnitude. A 002732, a 2.8 magnitude. A 003351 UTC, a 3.7. Those are the ones I plotted. And there they are. Of course, you got this one at 2228, 4.3. 222226 UTC, a 4.5. They're all there. I bet you we can find this one in every plot. Hi, Brandy and Robert. I'm doing good. Alright. We're going to do this a new way this time. Since we got such distinct waveforms. I'm going to put crosshairs around. Alright. Try to line that up every time. Starting at the top. At Ecolution Islands, Alaska. There it is. Albuquerque, New Mexico. Cathedral Cave, Missouri. College Outpost, Alaska. Corvallis, Oregon. Disney Wilderness Preserves, Florida. Hockley, Texas. Adam Dewanski Observatory in Oak Ridge, Massachusetts. Kipapa, Hawaii. Pocaloa, Hawaii. Black Hills, South Dakota. Standing Stone, Pennsylvania. Tucson, Arizona. Wyandotte Cave, Indiana. Waverly, Tennessee. Ann Arbor, Michigan. Alum Creek State Park, Ohio. Agassiz National Wildlife Refuge, Minnesota. Auburn Hatchery, Idaho. Same thing. Amarillo, Texas. Binghamton, New York. Blacksburg, Virginia. Blue Mountains Array, Baker, Oregon. Bozeman, Montana. Bruton, Alabama. Boulder Array, Site 6. Pendle Array, Site 6, Wyoming. Cedar Bluff, Kansas. Corbin's Fredericksburg Observatory in Virginia. Cliffs of Neuse, North Carolina. Conover, Wisconsin. Dagmar, Montana. Dugway, Toole County, Utah. Eros Data Center, Sioux Falls, South Dakota. Eagle, Central Alaska. Eagleton, Montana. Elko, Nevada. Erie, Pennsylvania. Eli, Minnesota. Grayling, Michigan. Godfrey, Georgia. Hanford, Washington. Hopedale, Illinois. Haley, Idaho. It's always going to be the same waveform. Hardware Ranch, Cache County, Utah. Idaho Springs, Colorado. Junction, Texas. Jewel Farm, Wisconsin. Kansas State University, Konza Prairie, Kansas. Kingsville, Texas. Lasso Array, Montana. Lisbon, New Hampshire. Lake Azonia, New York is not going to show anything. It's dead. Lakeview Retreat, Alabama. Mont Chateau, West Virginia. Mount Ida, Arkansas. Coronado Mountains, Texas. Missoula, Montana. Mesa Verde, Colorado. Nacogdoches, Texas. Newport, Washington. New Hope, South Carolina. Neilton Lookout, Washington. Ogalla, Nebraska. Oxford, Mississippi. Peaks Kenny State Park, Maine. Red Lodge, Montana. State Center, Iowa. Great Sand Dunes National Park, Colorado. Topahal Springs, Nevada. It won't be there much longer. Tazewell, Tennessee. Vicksburg, Mississippi. Wichita Mountains, Oklahoma. Raglan Island, southeastern Alaska, unavailable. Wupaki, Arizona. Wild Horse Valley, Oregon. All these distinct places, and it's still the same thing. Was everybody able to hear me okay? I mean, it's actually terrifying because I'm feeling them right now. I'm gonna check my seismograph. Well, man, when did the wish... You talking about the New Madrid, when it ran backwards? You're not going to feel it yet. Wild man, it's going to take a few minutes. just add my quakes from today. These are all the stations that surround Yellowstone. And here's my favorite place in the world, Maple Creek. Now we can go down and look at these. Of course, they're all centered in Maple Creek. .93, 11:30, 38. That was in last night. $10.29.32. A lot of earthquakes, ain't it? $9.03. $16.22. And of course, I'll go ahead and show you all the scary for the new people that are here. Okay. This is just from today and yesterday. And when I add all the past Yellowstone quakes since the storm started, this, my friends, is ground zero. This full blown this is ground zero. Yes, indeed, Dennis, it is widening. Has anybody heard from Lan yet?